Hey babe, welcome. So the last video that I did of like my full face of glam had a lot of requests, and I actually did notice this when I was editing, that I really didn't go in full detail of how I actually do my eyes. But a lot of people were actually asking me if I could do like a full in-depth video on how exactly I achieve it. So I went ahead and I did my whole full face of makeup like really fast so I can just focus on the eyes. So I didn't want to do like that same look. So we are going to do a different look today, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I am gonna try a new eyeshadow palette. I'm going to try this one. This is called the KAB Cosmetics, and I did get it in my BoxyCharm a few months ago, and it's gorgeous. Like I would literally wear all of these shades. So it is like beyond gorgeous. This is how it looks. You can get it on their website. Yeah, but it's really nice, and the pigment is there. So we're going to start. I kind of want to start off like this side, like a little bit of a orangey maybe look, maybe like a little sunset look, just something for the summer. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so most likely I'm gonna be using these three brushes. So you will need a really fluffy brush. This will help you really blend, and then this will help you be a little bit more defined. And if you want, you can use a smaller blending brush like this to just get a little bit more defined, you know, if you really want that definition. And then this one I just use to like highlight my brow bone and then highlight the inner corner of my eye. So this one doesn't really have like an inner, like a highlighting color. So I am just gonna go with my usual. I usually do highlight my brow bone last, but I'm gonna do it first this time. I don't know why. Just when I film, I do this. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna go in and highlight my brow bone. And I feel like this is a very important step. Like I feel like when I don't do this, my eyes look super weird, like just weird. And my hubby did do my eyebrows, so they do look really nice. Shout out to the hubby. And then also the inner corner. I love doing simple, easy looks. So I always try to make it as simple but as cute as possible. I usually do matte looks, but this time I kind of want to go a little bit like shimmery. Let me put my hair back with this clip. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom in so y'all can really just look at my eyes. So the first thing I want to do is we want to build up the colors. So always start off with the light shades and then go off with the darker colors. So this goes to any look if you really want to get that nice blend. So I'm going to start off with this one, and it's actually called Naked. And then since we are going a little bit orangey, I'm going to go in with Georgia Peach, which is the next shade. And then I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange and then Terracotta. And maybe Dawn. We will see how it goes. So as you can see, I'm going from light to dark. And now with Naked, and it does have a little fallout because I really do go in, but that doesn't really bother me that much. But if that bothers you, then yeah, this palette might not work for you, but it's not really a big deal as long as I get really good eyeshadow payout. So as long as I can see it on my eye, it's fine. So I'm starting at the ends of my, this is just like the transition shade. So we want to go ahead and grab the brush at the, kind of like at the tip. We don't want to grab it right here, because if you grab it here, it's gonna like just leave like a lot of shade color here, like initially. So we want to make sure that everything's light and kind of like that airbrush look. So we're just going to start at the ends and then just go ahead and blend it in circular motions and then windshield wiper motion. So that's all we want to do. And then also at the end, I kind of like flick it out, and then that helps. And then now I'm gonna go in with the Georgia Peach shade with the same brush, same fluffy brush, and then start at the outer corner and then just work my way in, and then just keep adding until you are satisfied with the color payout. Okay, so now that we have that, it just gives you like a little nice base for you to go ahead and build up the colors. So now I'm gonna go in with this one. This is my Sigma E40, and I'm going to go in with the Burnt Orange right here, and then I'm gonna go in with Terracotta. As you can see, I'm doing the same movements. So at the outer corner, I go outwards like this, And I try to look at it like a diagonal type. So I start by the corner of my eye and then I go this way. And then windshield wiper motions. And then I don't go beyond this part of my eye. So I kind of stay on the outer side right here. We don't want to really go in here that much. I really just go up here. Whatever is left on my brush, I go ahead and I kind of pull it in just so that everything can really flow and blend really nicely. So if you want more color, so you just grab the color and then you set it down. See what I mean? You set it down where you want it and then you blend very lightly, and that's how you get more payout. So you grab it, you set where you want it, and then you blend. So now I'm gonna go in with the big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna make sure that everything is nice and blended. And I do go in all on my eyelid.
Now, if you think that you don't have enough eyelid space, because this was my problem before my hubby did my eyebrows. If you feel like you don't have a lot of eyelid space, it's probably because your eyebrows are way too low. So when you get your eyebrows done, make sure that you ask to take out under here instead of up here as much. And then my hubby just started slowly raising my eyebrows up. So now I have a lot more eyelid space.
So now I'm going to go in with Terracotta and then Dawn. If you feel like you initially got a lot of eyeshadow, so I did go like this, and then when I put it on my eyelid, I saw that it had a lot of pigment. I just went over here and then I dabbed it on my other eye, and so I easily don't have a lot of pigment, you know? You want to build that color up slowly. Okay, so if you can leave it like this, or you can deepen it up a bit more, and I'm just gonna deepen it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the color Dawn right here. Now, this color, I wanna make sure that it stays right here, very, very low. You do not wanna take it up into the crease that much. You wanna take it very, very low, and let it stay here. Same here, just make it stay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with shimmers because I just feel like it needs it. I'm gonna go in first with Golden Hour. Now, you can go straight in with your fingers or you can go in with a brush. It doesn't really matter, but I think I'm gonna go in with my fingers. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Hour, and they're very, very smooth and pigmented, as you can see. And I'm just gonna add it right here. Since I don't have nails, I haven't done my nails in so long. I just feel like my nails need a break. I can really just get in there. So I kind of stop right there, like in the middle-ish, and I just take it right there. So now I'm gonna grab the little smaller brush, and now where the shimmer and the matte meet, I'm just going to just tap it and blend a little up here, just so it just flows cohesively. And same on this side. So for the bottom, you can just use the same shades, but I usually just go darker. So I'm gonna go in with Burnt Orange. And you can leave the burnt orange like that if you really want like that neon look. That would look really pretty too. But I really just like it, make it a little bit darker. So I'm gonna go in with Dawn or Terracotta, whichever you prefer. And then I'm just gonna darken it up a bit. And now I'm gonna go in with some white eyeliner. And every time like I have like a really bright look like this, I like to go in with white. If it's dark, I go in with either brown or black. Okay, now it looks kind of crazy right now, but it's okay. It's gonna all go together once I put on mascara and stuff. So now for the eyeliner. I actually went back and bought a new eyeliner. So this is how it looks. The one that I get, it's NYX and it's in brown. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, now someone in the comments asked me like where, like, does the eyeshadow go beneath or whatever. I'm not really sure. I just do this. I go, and since I already created that little like wing like that, like I already created the wing, I don't really worry about it. And then I just start at the outer corner of my eye and then go at the tail of my eyebrow bone and just go as big or as small as you want. And then do not be scared. Go ahead and drag down. Okay, now don't worry if your eyeliner does not come out exactly like the other one. It takes a lot of practice. I still feel like I need a lot of work on mine, but I feel like it's getting better and better every time I practice. So practice does make perfect. So just go ahead and just practice your eyeliner. And then this would be the part, if you wear falsies, to go ahead and put falsies. Now, I'm gonna say something. I am self-taught. Everything I know, I saw on YouTube. And I would see, and I really would suggest for y'all to see different types of makeup videos and take what you need from them. Like, don't just automatically do what one person does. Watch a lot of videos and then see whatever fits you best. So like, say I do show y'all how I do my eyeliner or my eye makeup, but it doesn't look good on you or whatever, try someone else's and then pick and choose. That's what I did with my routine. I watched a lot of girls and then I picked and I choose which one would work better for me, because we're all different. So don't just stick to one makeup video and then whatever. I mean, if it works for you, great, right? But if it doesn't, like, go on and pick and choose whichever looks best on you. And I also do use the brown eyeliner because I just feel like it's less harsh than the black. I just feel like the black is too harsh and I haven't really used black in a long time. Alright, you guys, that is the look. So now I'm just going in, and if I lost some of that white, I'm going to go in and I redo it from all that blending. Alright, you guys, so this is the final makeup look. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys liked it, if you want me to do another makeup look just like this, just showing the eyes and how I do it, go ahead and comment down below. I am loving the feedback because this just helps me like create more videos for you guys and motivates me to just like keep going. So I want to thank you guys so much, especially to, I think it was a Maria who commented on if I could do a full in-depth video on just eye look. So I am taking requests on my comments, so don't be shy. Go ahead and comment and tell me what you want to see, because I want to do whatever you guys want to see. Give me a little feedback, and thank you guys so much. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially subscribing and liking really does help my channel out, and I really do appreciate it. All the love, all the support, it never goes unnoticed. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video really soon. Bye.